Ever found yourself stuck in a relay rut, needing help but not knowing where to turn? You're not alone. Relay, for all its brilliance, can sometimes throw a curveball, leaving you scratching your head. Maybe your device is acting up, you've got a billing question, or perhaps you're just plain confused about a feature. Whatever the issue, knowing how to reach relay support is absolutely crucial. Because let's face it, smooth communication with the support team can be the difference between a quick fix and a frustrating, drawn-out ordeal. So, if you've ever wondered, how do I contact relay support, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to break down all the different ways you can get in touch with Relay's support team, ensuring you get the help you need, when you need it. We'll cover everything from their online resources to direct contact methods, giving you a complete guide to navigating the Relay support landscape. First things first, let's talk about the treasure trove of information that Relay offers online. Before you even think about picking up the phone or sending an email, I highly recommend checking out their help center. It's a goldmine of FAQs, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides that can often answer your questions instantly. Think of it as your first line of defense against relay confusion. To access the Help Center, simply head over to the Relay website. Usually, you'll find a help or support link somewhere in the header or footer. Clicking on that will take you to a dedicated page packed with resources. The beauty of the Help Center is that it's searchable. So, if you're having a specific issue, like device not connecting, just type those keywords into the search bar. The system will then pull up relevant articles and guides that might hold the solution. Now, let's say you've explored the Help Center and haven't found what you're looking for. Don't worry, there are still plenty of ways to reach out to Relay support directly. One of the most common methods is through email. You can usually find their support email address on the Relay website, often within the Help Center or Contact Us page. When crafting your email, be sure to be as specific as possible about the issue you're experiencing. Include details like your device model, the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot, and any error messages you've encountered. The more information you provide, the quicker and more effectively the support team can assist you. Another popular way to contact Relay support is through their online chat feature. Many companies now offer live chat support, and Relay is no exception. This can be a fantastic option if you need immediate assistance. Look for a chat icon on the Relay website, usually in the bottom right corner. Clicking on it will open a chat window where you can communicate with a support representative in real time. Chat support is often the fastest way to get quick answers to simple questions or to get guided through basic troubleshooting steps. Now, for those who prefer a more personal touch, or if your issue is complex and requires detailed explanation, you can always give Relay support a call. Their phone number should be listed on their website, usually on the Contact Us page. When you call, be prepared to provide some information about your account or device. It's also a good idea to have any relevant documentation or error messages handy. While phone support can sometimes involve waiting on hold, it can be the most effective way to resolve complex issues that are difficult to explain in writing. Beyond these traditional methods, Relay might also offer support through social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Many companies now use social media as a channel for customer service. Check Relay's official social media pages to see if they offer support through direct messaging or by posting on their wall. This can be a convenient option for quick questions or updates on known issues. One often overlooked resource is the Relay Community Forum. If Relay has a community forum, it can be a fantastic place to find solutions to common problems. Other users may have experienced the same issue you're facing and found a workaround. Plus, the forum is often monitored by Relay staff, so you might even get an official response to your question. Community forums can be a great resource for learning from other users and sharing your own experiences. Now, let's talk about some tips for contacting Relay support, regardless of the method you choose. First and foremost, be clear and concise in your communication. Clearly state the issue you're experiencing and provide all the necessary details. The more information you give, the better equipped the support team will be to help you. Secondly, be patient. Support teams are often dealing with a high volume of requests, so it might take some time to get a response. However, don't hesitate to follow up if you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame. Finally, be polite and respectful in your interactions with the support team. Even if you're frustrated, remember that the support representatives are there to help you. A positive and courteous attitude can go a long way in getting your issue resolved quickly and efficiently. So, to recap, you have several options for contacting Relay Support. You can explore their online help center, reach out via email, use their online chat feature, give them a call, try social media, or check out their community forum. The best method for you will depend on the nature of your issue and your personal preferences. Remember to be clear, patient, and polite in your communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.